You big disgrace.
Banging your table all over the place.
Saying we will.
No, not you. Seen the new bicycle I bought?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
I was wondering like why.
It's a Rally Burner Mark II. 1983. Custom. Totally restored to brand new.
Don't know what
From
that
when I was
means.
13.
Well, you had that bike since you were 13?
No, I just bought it.
Oh.
I never owned it, but it's one I always liked and admired. It was too expensive back in the day. So it's now going to sit alongside my E.T. Kuwahara.
Yeah.
And E.T. Kuwahara, have you ever seen the film E.T.?
E.T. phone home.
Yeah, you ever seen it? Do you know the scene where they're getting chased by the baddies and they're all on their BMXs? Yeah. And all of a sudden they do the da 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 and they all fly on the BMXs and Elliot's on a bike with a bread basket and E.T. in front.
In it.
That bicycle.
That flies?
Yep. Well, that's the bike I had as a kid. I've got it. It's in my lounge.
One that flies?
Well, mine doesn't fly. Should we do an unboxing?
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back.
Hello everybody, hope you are doing well.
And we are back with another unboxing with Kaylie.
And Gavin, and this today is Patek Philippe. Now, you called me this morning, you got me out of bed and you said, Gav, get your butt in here really quick because this is not hanging around and there's a reason for that. So tell me, first of all, should we have a little look? Or do you want to tell me the story first?
I'll tell you the story first. Okay?
Right, go.
So I had a really good customer call me and say, I want this watch, can you get it? I didn't have it in stock. Okay. One of the ones that I didn't have in stock. And I was like, yeah, of course, no problem. I went out and sourced it for him within 48 hours and now it's here.
Wow.
Sold
order, which is beautiful, isn't it? Love that. So go on then. Shall I open it or should I? Oh, I'm going to open it.
You open it.
Okay.
Na 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 na. Can you open it?
No, because I got no nails. Right, here we go.
Na, 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 na.
Ah, it's a lady's olive. Oh, with diamonds.
Yeah.
Oh, that must be beautiful. Respect, maybe for a special lady. That's an absolute stunner. Yeah, so we'll be very, very careful not to even touch the watch or take it off. So that is beautiful. So that's a Patek what?
So that's a Patek Philippe 5267 200A.
Wow.
So, and that obviously a lady's
steel,
quartz, but the diamond bezel, obviously with factory the green factory set. Very,
very nice. Yeah. And I would have thought, actually, I mean, if somebody's got a special birthday or they've been planning, I would imagine this thing. I don't know what the price is. Actually, I should ask. This thing would probably have been, I'm going to guess, a few months ago, somewhere around the 70, 75 level.
Yeah, I think so, a few months ago.
And it's probably come back a little bit.
It's come down a little bit, yeah.
So and you've had a customer who wants to?
Yeah, exactly. So if anyone wants to buy me one.
What lucky lady's going to be receiving this?
I love it. I don't know what it is about green on watches, but I think it just goes, and the diamonds as well. Do you not think?
Absolutely beautiful. I mean, obviously it'd be a little bit small on my wrist. But it's a stunner and a very desirable model.
Very desirable. Again, it's Patek.
Yeah.
Patek.
Aquanaut.
Aquanaut.
Yeah. Ticks so many boxes. Is this the sort of watch you'd wear, Kaylie?
Do you know what? I probably would.
If you were bought one.
If I was bought one, I would probably. Yeah, I would. No, the diamonds. It's all of it for me. I love it.
It's all of it.
All of it.
I tell you what I love about particularly the Aquanauts is I love how the strap and the face.
Same colour.
Same colour, but the same detailing on the face in terms of the way it's carved out. There's probably a name for it, which I don't know. But the detail.
It's like a waffle, isn't it?
Yeah. Patek waffle.
Okay, we'll go with it.
I love that. Absolute stunner. And what a lucky lady. And I love the fact that 48 hours, what watch do you need? Kaylie's on the job, sourced 48 hours, and it's being delivered today.
Yep.
Amazing.
So if anyone needs any watches sourcing, you can just give us a call, and it's definitely something we can do for you.
I love that. I love that. Until next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.